I know. Well, you keep scaring them off with the hairdryer.
Aries is like, nope.
Found it.
So what are you doing, trying to get that door out?
Yeah, she wants to know with that.
Nothing. It's broken. That's why they fastened it shut.
How do you know if they were lying?
Excuse me.
Well, if you get in the cupboard door underneath of it, you can see that it's either not got a bottom or a back on it.
It has a bottom.
Yeah, she reached up in there.
Hey, go get that thing out, Mom and Dad.
Let's figure it out.
Eat goat.
All you need is a Phillips screwdriver.
Can you go shoot it?
He's like, fuck it, I got it. I'm running with it. Oh, there it went.
What did he get?
Aries bone.
Uh,
Now go get Aries bone.
I threw it on the ground and I turned it hairdryer with me.
He's like, I'm going for it.
oh shit, French
It's
fries.
also time for gas tubes. Are they dead? Next time we go to this guy.
Oh, they shouldn't be dead.
What's this?
They're super hard.
It's really funny.
This. This. Let's go for this. Try to make sure
Why
that-
does it smell like maple syrup?
Ew.
The French fry pan.
I don't know. Ooh, get your butt off of me.
Pancakes on it?
I want your butt on me. Get the bone midnight. Forget it. She's like, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. He's barking at the hairdryer. He said, I got it. And I'm gone.
It's pretty there, dryer.
Oh man, it's funny.
Sounds like a vacuum.